Hi everyone, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Ms. Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Before we get started, I want to remind everyone that we are doing hybrid Storytimes, which means on top of our Storytimes posted online here, we have them in person at the library. The in-person version of these Storytimes for the toddler/preschool age group start at 10:30 a.m. on Mondays. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's read some books. This week, our theme is reptiles. That means this week we're going to read books about snakes, lizards, turtles, or crocodiles. Okay, our first book is A Place for Turtles by Melissa Stewart, illustrated by Higgins Bond, and published by Peachtree Publishers. Turtles make our world a better place, but sometimes people do things that make it hard for them to live and grow. If we work together to help these special creatures, there will always be a place for turtles. Turtles are closely related to snakes, lizards, and crocodiles. They all belong to a group of animals called reptiles. Some turtles spend most of their time on land. Other turtles live in lakes, rivers, or the ocean, but all turtles hatch from tough, leathery eggs laid on land. Newly hatched turtles are tiny. Except for their size, they look just like their parents. Like all living things, turtles need a safe place to raise their young. Some turtles have trouble building nests when new kinds of plants spread into their home habitat. When people find ways to control their new plants, turtles can live and grow. The bog turtle. Because purple loosestrife has pretty purple flowers and can be used as a medicine, European settlers brought it to North America. But when thick clusters of loosestrife began growing in wetlands, bog turtles couldn't find sunny spots for their nests. In 1997, people started using beetles to control the loosestrife. Now bog turtles have many more good places to build their nests. Young turtles don't stand a chance when people add fish to lakes and ponds. When people collect newly hatched turtles and raise them in safe places, turtles can live and grow. Adult turtles face many dangers too. A sea turtle can die if it gets trapped in a fishing net. When fishing crews use nets that have special escape hatches, turtles can live and grow. Because plastic shopping bags look like jellyfish, sea turtles sometimes eat them by mistake. The plastic can clog the turtle's stomach, causing it to starve to death. When people stop using plastic shopping bags, turtles can live and grow. Some turtles taste so delicious that people eat too many of them. When lawmakers stop people from hunting their tasty reptiles, turtles can live and grow. Many people let their dogs run free when they go hiking in natural areas, but curious dogs can injure turtles and other small animals. When hikers keep their dogs on leashes, turtles can live and grow. Some turtles have such colorful bodies and shells that people like to keep them as pets. When people stop collecting these beautiful reptiles, turtles can live and grow. Many people think it's fun to watch turtle races at fairs, picnics, and rodeos. But when turtles from different places come into contact with one another, they can get sick. When people learn the truth about these races, turtles can live and grow. Turtles have dark bodies and they move slowly. People driving cars near turtle habitats may not see them until it is too late. When people build turtle-proof fences along busy highways, turtles can live and grow. Turtles have trouble surviving when their natural homes are destroyed. Some turtles can only live in sandy desert areas with plenty of low shrubs. When people protect these natural places, turtles can live and grow. Other turtles can only survive in shallow marshes and ponds. When people create new wetlands, turtles can live and grow. When too many turtles die, other living things may also have trouble surviving. That's why it's so important to protect turtles and the places where they live. Turtles have lived on Earth for more than 220 million years. Sometimes people do things that can harm turtles, but there are many ways you can help these special creatures live far into the future. Okay, that was A Place for Turtles. What do you guys think? Have you ever seen a turtle out in the wild? Okay, our next book is Invisible Lizard by Kurt Cyrus, illustrated by Andy Atkins, and published by Sleeping Bear Press. Once upon a spiffy limb there lived a little chameleon named Napoleon. Napoleon was a colorful guy. In fact, he was every bit as spiffy as the limb he lived on. And that was a problem. Napoleon blended in so well that he was nearly invisible. "Hello, Polly," said the lizard. "Nice feathers." "Squawk!" screamed the parrot. "That tree can talk." "Yo, Mike," said the lizard, "you're really swinging today." "Eek!" went the monkey. "Eek! Ah! Woo!" "Drat," said Napoleon. No one ever saw him, even when he waved his arms, which took him 20 minutes to do. Chameleons move very, very slowly. Everyone wants to be noticed. So Napoleon flashed his flashiest colors and sashayed up and down the spiffy limb. Each sachet took about an hour. "Hey, look at me," he said. But did anyone look? No. He wove a wicker welcome mat. It took a week. No one saw it. He made a trumpet flower bird bath. "Hey, Polly, are you thirsty?" "No, Polly." "Look at me, funny face, funny face." Nothing. The lizard turned purple and his eyes burned red. Phooey. He had tried to be friendly. He had tried to be flashy. He had tried to be funny and fun. "There's one more thing I haven't tried," he said. He stood on his head. Around daybreak, Napoleon began to slip. There are two things a chameleon can do very fast. Falling is one. Flicking his tongue is the other. Suddenly, everyone saw him. "Squawk," said Polly. "Who is that remarkable creature? Check out those colors." "Ooh," said Mike. "Now that's swinging." "Could you help me up?" said Napoleon. The parrot and monkey were delighted with their spiffy new friend. They began visiting Napoleon for them every day. The three of them played King of the Tree. They played Red Lizard, Green Lizard. But mostly they played hide and seek. Look very carefully. Maybe I'll spot them up there, among the ferns and the fungus. Okay, that was Invisible Lizard. What did you guys think? If you were a chameleon, what color would you turn? All right, everyone, thank you for coming to story time. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean that we have to be done with story time. At the library, you can get something called a story time kit, which is a fun-filled activity kit that goes with the books we read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. All right, this week our craft is a paper plate chameleon. And you can make it any color you want. I chose green. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for Mondays and one for Wednesdays, so you want to make sure to grab the right kit or you can end up with something completely different than what I just showed you. The kits for this story time in the group A crate, they're the red ones. We have new kits every week, so make sure to check back in every time we do a new story time. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. And I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. Bye!